We're here with Rick Burkett from Rick's Truck Shop here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And we've got this beautiful 66 GM Summit White, is that correct?
Yes.
Custom cab C10 pickup, and we're super excited that Rick let us be a part of helping out with the audio in this. It's got our TPD HiFi Kick Panels with a Morel Virtus Carbon 62, so that's a 6.5-inch woofer and tweeter. Just give us a little quick tour of this truck, Rick.
A friend of mine, Randy, out in Bristow, they built this truck for another friend of ours, Kenny. It's a full frame-off custom build 66 C10. It's got a late model LT engine with 8-speed transmission. They debuted this truck last year. It's been kind of hitting some circuit, doing some things, and making a pretty good noise, doing good. We've had it slated on our schedule since it was done to get in here and get some audio done on it. So we had paired up with you guys, as we've done on a couple other trucks, to get the custom kick panels designed and made for this, so that we can kind of hit a new market with this. And love the Morels. They've been such a great speaker. Very forgiving space-wise, but not when it comes to sound. They're extremely amazing quality. They're very forgiving to a lot of things. And
right, awesome. So. Can we get a quick listen?
Yeah.
I'll hop in this side if you want to hop in the other side. Yeah, that's one thing we love about the Morels. When we first saw the shallow speaker, I've known Morel for years. I was actually using them in the late 80s. But they didn't have anything like this. And when I first saw these, even knowing the reputation of Morel, I was a little bit skeptical. But once I heard them, it was like, took all my worries away. They really open up a big variety of possibilities.
Thanks, that's good about you too.
They're shaking.
Very happy with it for a simple system, easy to control.
Yeah.
Easy to manipulate what needs to be done.
He's going to love it. This is the last little piece of the puzzle he needed, huh?
Yeah. He's been patiently waiting.
Yeah. Right on. Well, cool. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for letting us come over and do this.
No problem.